Hi, my name is Anya, and today we're going to make some two-toned heart cookies. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, add 2 2/3 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix until well combined. Beat together 1 cup of butter softened and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence, a pinch of salt. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and mix. Turn the dough out onto a flat surface and knead until a smooth dough forms. I divided my dough into 4 portions. For 1 portion, I added a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and I mixed until it was well combined. To another portion, I added a few drops of gel pink food coloring and I mixed until it was well combined. And to another portion, I added a few drops of yellow gel food coloring. I wrapped all the portions in cling film and placed in the fridge for 3 hours. I rolled the dough out onto some parchment paper and I cut hearts out. I did this for all the colors. Once all the hearts were cut out, I cut out smaller hearts from those hearts and I placed with a different color cookie. I baked the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes.